Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make healthy finger millet or ragi cookies with chocolate chips. These delicious cookies are gluten-free, vegan and sugar-free. Yes, these cookies are dairy-free. Finger millet or ragi flour is a wonder food in India and lot other Asian countries as well, but hardly known in the Western countries. It is probably the most underrated cereal food. So I decided I should go into a little more detail about what it brings to the table really. It has got high levels of calcium, iron, protein, fiber, and it is gluten-free. I personally know a lot of my family members and friends that have stayed on a finger millet diet to lose weight. Apart from finger millet, there is yet another secret ingredient in this cookie recipe. It is my homemade oats milk. It not only tastes awesome, but it also makes a good substitute for dairy in my baking recipes. I've already made a video on making oats milk at home. I'll give you the link in the description box here. This is very suitable for you if you're watching your diet, or if you're diabetic, or if you're on the constant lookout for healthy snacks for your kids without adding refined sugar in their system. There is no refined flour in this cookie. It's gluten-free, sugar-free and dairy-free. Let's get into the recipe now. For making this finger millet and chocolate chip cookies, I've got 1 cup of finger millet flour here and I've got half cup of oats flour. This is regular rolled oats. I've ground it into a powder, and I have got 1/4 cup of coconut oil, that is cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. And we need 4 to 6 tablespoons of oats milk. This is homemade oats milk. And you need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 3/4 cup of raw sugar. This is raw unrefined sugar. And I've got some dark chocolate. This is sugar-free dark chocolate. And for the flavoring, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is nutmeg powder. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of it. And again 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon powder. First thing, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Mix the finger millet flour, oats flour, baking powder, nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder and chocolate chips. In another bowl, mix the brown sugar, coconut oil and vanilla extract. Add this to the dry ingredients. And also add oats milk or any other dairy-free milk you want. But oats milk gives this cookie its unique taste. Knead well to get an even mixture. Add more oats milk if it is needed. I've made these finger millet ragi cookies many times. In my experience, I've found that these cookies are different from normal high gluten cookies. They need to be treated differently. First thing is, do refrigerate the cookie dough for at least 30 minutes before baking. Second important thing is, they do not spread as much but rise quite a bit. So it is important to shape the cookies accordingly. Make these cookies small and flat. Do not scoop them using a scooper like a traditional cookie, but make small balls and flatten them on the baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until it turns dark brown edges. Finger millet cookie is just the start of a wonderful and healthy journey with millets. Try this ragi chocolate chip cookie today and post your comments. I would love to read your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my wonderful, simple and scrumptious recipes.